Zero ng tawag nila. Sa Tagalog, Tagal. So this is also disappear because Mr. Acosar from to Las Casas like a shuttle like this. From to Las Casas only 2 hours to travel. Yeah, the owner, Mr. Acosar. Mr. Acosar is an architect and what is an interior designer. The family is San Jose Builders. The bridge, this inspired in Kagitingan Bridge. Dambana ng Kagitingan. This tiles mosaic or broken tile. Sa piece by piece, the broken tile. Not painting, only tiles mosaic. That's original tiles. Opo, broken tiles. So tiles mosaic. Hindi siya mga pininturahan kung anong kulay ng tiles ang mismo.